Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. Tomorrow I am leaving for my very first solo international trip and I'm gonna be spending the next 6 weeks in Italy. So let's jump right into the video and let me show you everything I'm packing for the next 6 weeks. Okay, like I said, I'm bringing 3 bags. First is going to be my carry-on suitcase, and I am going to check that because I have liquids, but the important part is that I fit everything in a carry-on sized bag. The second bag I'm bringing is my book bag, and then the third bag I'm bringing is my fanny pack. Okay, so let's start with my fanny pack. This is the festival bag by Lululemon. I think this is like the 75, it's the larger one, and it comes in 2 or 3 colors. Mine is in black. You can do it crossbody, you can do it on the shoulder. The strap is adjustable. It's so big. There's so much stuff inside of here. This bag is going to stay on my person on the plane. So my flight is gonna be 10 hours long. So I wanted to put everything in this bag that I would need access to during the flight, because I'm gonna put my book bag in the overhead bin and I'm in the window seat, so I don't wanna be constantly having to get things out of my bag. So let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna start in this back pocket. I have 2 things that I'll need quick access to. First, of course, is my passport. And then also in that outside pocket are some fuzzy socks that I will change into once I'm seated on the plane. There is also this zipper pouch up front. These are a few other quick access items that I want. I have some Advil. I have a little mini charger. I have a mini Summer Fridays lip balm. I have the Summer Fridays Jet Set mask. This will be a game changer on the plane. And then I also just have a few of these little individually wrapped Neutrogena wipes. So then once you open the flap here, there's another big pocket right here. Inside that, I am just keeping my wallet, some hand sanitizer. This of course is the Touchland Power Mist, and this is in what scent? Mango Passion. Oh my God. Seriously, the best scent that they have. And then I have my portable phone charger. This came in a 2-pack off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna link everything down below. Small, compact, it holds a really good charge. You can just charge it right here on the end. And it's tiny, so it fits perfectly. Okay, then the largest pocket is gonna be this zippered pocket here, which opens the bag up. I mean, look at all that space, that's crazy. So in here, I have another little bag. You guys have probably seen this bag before. This is like always my little go-to like amenity kit bag, but it's Eras Tour themed. I love it. Okay, in here I have a lot of stuff, but all very important things. First, I have some Tic Tacs. I have a little trial-sized moisturizer, my EOS hand lotion, I have some cuticle oil, I have a hair clip, I have a lipstick and a Burt's Bees chapstick, various and almost too many pens, pencils, and highlighters, some Dramamine, a liquid IV, and then an eye mask, because I will definitely be using this in the morning. Okay, so again, this is everything that I'm going to be keeping on me for the flight. I will also put my AirPods in here. They're just charging right now. This is my book bag. I got this off of Amazon a couple years ago. Again, it'll be linked down below. But this is like the Mary Poppins bag of all time. I don't know how I fit so much stuff in here, but I did. This is gonna be on my body, but I'm gonna put this bag in the overhead bin. So it's stuff that I do want, but I don't necessarily need during the flight. It also is just gonna stay on me during my layover, which will be nice too. Let me first show you how many pockets this bag has. 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket. Pocket on the back, 4. Pocket 5, 6. Pocket down here, 7. Pocket on the side, 8. Those are only the outside pockets. There are also pockets inside this bag. First, I have everything that I would not want to like lose or like forget it's in a pocket in this little bag here. It's just a bag inside a bag inside a bag. Okay. Hairspray, charger, another portable charger. This was the second one that came in that same package I just showed you. Little first aid kit with some Advil, Tylenol, Band-Aids, Q-tips, etc. Sunglasses, wet wipes, mouthwash, another liquid IV, more hand sanitizer, a squeeze bottle from Bath & Body, and a spray bottle from Bath & Body. Some more little phone chargers, of course my travel adapter, a Tide to go pen, and some more chapstick. Also in this bag I have my Kindle. Now I know what you might be thinking, don't you want your Kindle on the plane? No. As much as I would like to think I'm gonna read on the plane, I'm probably just gonna watch movies and sleep. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this in the bag that's going in the overhead bin. I also then have my Italian phrases book. This is just a nice little book for beginners. It talks about all of the language basics for learning Italian. I have another wall charger, of course my glasses, and then I have a little black notebook that could double as a travel journal, a junk journal. It could just be if I needed to write something down. I'll be keeping this. In the bulk of this bag I have, well, I'm using my camera right now to record this, but I will be packing my camera, all my cords, all my chargers, and I'm just gonna keep it in this box just because it's small. It fits perfectly, just what I need. I have a pair of these sandals. I have another pair of headphones. These are just like the JBL headphones. Another portable charger because you cannot have too many. An umbrella. I have a drawstring empty bag. I have a pair of slippers. And then I have packed a couple outfits. So I have here just a simple little black athletic dress and a long sleeve black t-shirt. And then I have my jean jacket. One, this is good. God forbid my luggage gets lost. I have a couple outfit options. Two, if the plane gets cold, I can always throw on one of those jackets. Also, during my layover, if I feel gross in the clothes that I'm in, I can always change into those. Okay, in the very back of the book bag, I do have my laptop and my laptop charger. On the side here is where I'm keeping my collapsible water bottle. These things are so nice. They expand and collapse. And it has this nice hook too, so it can be, you can hook it on your bag, your purse, whatever. That's everything currently in this bag. As you can see, there's still some room. So I might end up putting another pair of shoes in here or another outfit, but it's good to know that I'm not stuffing it all the way full. Okay, the next is, of course, my actual carry-on bag that I am checking, but I'm calling it a carry-on because it is the size of a carry-on, and to do 6 weeks, and that is impressive. So let me have the bragging rights. Let's start with my kind of like toiletries-esque bag. This is mostly skincare, face wash, face mask, things like that. Okay, I have my Clinique Take the Day Off, my face wash, another face wash, my mini day styling cream, a mini toothpaste, a mini mouthwash, a razor, some face lotion, another face lotion, a third face lotion, the Tatcha lip mask, my body razor in its case, a chapstick, some hair oil, some dental floss, hair tie, and then 2 face masks. Everything in my little mini silver bag. I do then in this bag have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, an extra shampoo and body oil. And then in this bag is mostly just miscellaneous items. I have a reusable bag that I thought I could use for like groceries or if I just need a bag. My Neutrogena face wipes, another eye mask. This is my AirTag. This is brand new. I just bought it. I actually need to like set this up. So I'm gonna set that to the side. The next thing I have is the Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. This is really nice if you don't have access to a dryer. You just spray it on your clothes, let them hang like on a hanger or over like a chair, and the wrinkles will poof, be gone. And then of course I have a little deodorant. I have more Dramamine. And again, this bag also isn't super stuffed, so I might throw a few other things in here. Okay, this little bag is my emergency medicine kit. So I have hopefully all the medicines I would potentially need. I have Pepto-Bismol because your girl needs that sometimes. I have Dramamine. I've said that like 4 times now. It is in every bag because I get so car sick, so motion sick, so plane sick, all of the things. I have Dayquil and NyQuil. I have a couple like alcohol prep pads. I have Band-Aids. I have Tylenol. I have some Zicam. So I'm prepared. And then I have a bunch more liquid IV. I have them in like the lemon lime flavor, passion fruit, strawberry. I love liquid IV and it's so needed when I'm traveling because I'm so dehydrated. I have this Illuminate Shimmering Body Oil. This stuff is like my best friend in the summer. It just adds the most beautiful glow to your body without being like super oily or sticky. So I love this stuff. Okay, still inside of my carry-on bag, I have another little notebook. And then I have my actual purse, and then I have my longer strap inside of here. So this, I love this bag because it could be a shoulder bag with just this beautiful gold chain, or I can get the leather strap. Now we're gonna transition into the packing cubes inside this bag. I love my packing cubes so much. So this first one is just, honestly, the things that didn't fit in the other one. So I have my swimsuit, I have my bra, my underwear, and my socks. So I don't need to show you all of that, but I promise you it's all in here. Plenty of room in this one too, so I might add a few more. Of course, I have my CalPack makeup bag. It is actually in the bathroom because I still need to get ready tomorrow in the morning, so I haven't yet put it in here, but that'll fit in the perfect little corner. Tomorrow I have a 10-hour flight, a 6-hour layover, and then a 3-hour flight. So let me show you what I'm packing for airplane snacks. First with these bone broth packets, you just put them in hot water and it's 10 grams of protein. They are so good. Next, I will pack a few wheat thins in a little baggie to take. I have some Crystal Light packets. I love the Smart Sweets. These are the sour melon bites. These are so good. Next, I have some Blue Diamond almonds. These are the lightly salted ones. I'll make sure to only eat these if there's no like nut allergies or anything, but these are one of my little favorite on-the-go snacks. These are the Brookside pomegranate seeds in dark chocolate. Oh my God, these are so fantastic. These have been sitting on my kitchen counter for the last few days and it has taken everything in me to not open them up. So it'll be such a nice little treat on the plane tomorrow. I have 2 of the Bear Bells protein bars. I have one in the caramel cashew flavor and then another one in the cookies and caramel. If you haven't tried these, you have to. They're so good. They are 210 calories and 20 grams of protein, but they literally taste like a candy bar. I have a few little snack packs of mini Nilla wafers, mini Chips Ahoy, and mini Ritz crackers with cheese. And lastly, I'll cut up this apple as another little healthy snack. So here are all my airplane snacks. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite thing to eat on an airplane? Now for probably the most important part, the clothes. What am I actually bringing to wear for 6 whole weeks? Of course, I'm gonna do laundry. Of course, I'm probably gonna buy clothes over there. I in fact did pack a little lighter because I figured like instead of buying it here at stores I always have access to, maybe I'll go buy a pretty dress in a little shop or something. So there's of course room to grow. Well, I shouldn't say that because it's pretty stuffed full, but I could buy another bag over there for when I come back home. Okay, so starting off first, I did pack my little black robe because this is great. One, I could wear it for pajamas. It's great to wear it like after the shower, getting ready, in between, you know, I'm not ready to get dressed for dinner yet or whatever. It's just very versatile and I love it. I am bringing a couple black workout tanks. Just like this, they're from Amazon. I am bringing 1, 2, 3 of those. And then I'm bringing 2 pairs of workout shorts. I have these black ones, these orange ones, and then I have my favorite leggings from Aerie, the Offline brand. They're just their basic black leggings. I am bringing 3 pairs of these. I wear these every single day. I am of course bringing 1 pair of flip-flops. I'm going to wear my tennis shoes on the plane. And then earlier you saw my like nice pair of sandals and my slippers. Okay, so in this packing cube, I have all of my dresses and day outfits. And then this is more jeans, shorts, swimsuit cover up. I'll insert a clip here showing you everything that is in this bag. like these satin pajamas. They are the softest material ever. I have them in pink and black. You can see they're like this like cheetah print pattern. So I have 2 of these. On the plane, I plan on wearing a matching sweatsuit, sweatshirt, sweatpants, and then under that, just like a white t-shirt or something. Okay, I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments, am I missing anything? Oh, that just made me remember. I am bringing a toothbrush. It is just still in the bathroom because I obviously still need to brush my teeth before I go, but I am bringing a toothbrush. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more travel content like this. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.